Hi and welcome to Cine Manu. My name is Manu and I am an expert in fashion and consumer behavior. Today I'm going to tell you about a term called resistant fashion, and it is something that I have invented, and it is a theory that you can implement in your design process to make strong products. And a simple way to explain the theory is, we all know the saying called "what doesn't kill you makes you stronger." And that is the exact same thing that happens when you take resistance from your consumers and integrate this resistance into the design process. So, if the consumers have some feedback to you as a fashion brand, if they have some criticism or some comments about your products, you shouldn't be mad or offended about it. You should embrace it and give it like a big hug and say thank you very much, because you are now helping us as a fashion brand to create stronger products. And that is what it's all about. Making strong, very good products the consumers like and wants to buy again and again and again. So, try to do this. Try to make resistant fashion. Try to implement and integrate all the consumers' feedback and feelings about your brand and your products. Integrate it in the design process and make the best products ever made. Thank you very much.